Let's continue our Reiki self-healing at the solar plexus, which is located right here. Again, you can use your left and then your right hand, or reverse, side to side. Also bear in mind, sometimes you can have your hands away from the body, 10 centimeters or 20 centimeters. This is an awareness that will come to you with practice. So if you feel that here is uncomfortable, simply move your hands away a little bit and see what feels right for you. The energy will work just the same. And the energy will adjust itself according to your needs and what you're able to absorb at that time. The solar plexus develops from approximately the age of 2 up until 4. This is when our identity really starts forming, our ego, our sense of self. Now, if that proceeds in a healthy way, that we have suitable boundaries and suitable freedoms, then this chakra and the organs and the emotional counterparts will all develop nicely. But life is not always so easy. Sometimes our parents have too many restrictions on us, and we can lose our confidence. Or the parents may be absent and we run amok, and we end up becoming overly egotistical or stubborn or aggressive. So, as in life, our chakras also need proper balance. When we look at the internal organs here, we have the stomach, the liver, gallbladder, pancreas, all of which are part of the digestion system. In emotional terms, at the solar plexus, we have self-confidence, self-esteem, seeing one's own value, taking action. Now, it's important that we can correlate the physical and the emotional aspects of each chakra. So as I mentioned a moment ago, if a child is overly controlled, that may manifest in low self-esteem. It may also manifest with digestive problems. So as we practice, as we review the theory of the chakra system, as we continue to take care of ourselves, much of this understanding will arise by itself. During the self-healing session, we don't have to be overly analytical. Just for these 5 minutes that I will explain some of the primary aspects and dimensions of each chakra. In your leisure time, you can sit down and read more about the chakra system, and at the conclusion of the video, you can sit silently and allow the energy to flow. So you can see that the self-healing process, it's taking action, it's theoretical, it's experience. If we can triangulate those different aspects, we will make progress as a Reiki healer and in the quality of our lives, in our physical health, our mental health, our spiritual evolution. Healing ourselves both in concrete terms and in abstract terms. While the cause may be abstract, the symptom may be physical. Conversely, if the cause is physical, it may manifest in a psychological imbalance. We are finding our balance. And balance, in this sense, translates as health. Be healthy and take appropriate action to achieve that good health. When the video ends, feel free to sit silently for as long as you need to continue the healing process.